Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, have you brushed your teeth and combed your hair? Are you in your pajamas ready for bed? Are the curtains drawn and blankets tucked tight? Are you ready to sleep and say goodnight? But before you go into your dream ride, here's a story for you tonight. As you have guessed from my pirate hat, it is going to be a pirate story tonight. But before I say anything about the story, I would like to thank Mamma Dhara and little Stuti for reaching out and sending a message. Thank you so much. I love you too, and I love that you love my stories. Thank you. And a shout out to little Sia. She's 5 years old. She sent me a lovely video of making koshimbir. I am sure Sia, Mama and Papa would have enjoyed eating your koshimbir. Well done. Keep making videos and keep reaching out to me. Keep sending messages. I love receiving them. Now about the story. Tonight we have the story Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. That's right. Polly Parrot is looking for a pet pirate. You heard it right. Polly Parrot loves sailing to the sea and he wants to do it with a pirate. So here goes the story. Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate by Peter, Bentley and Penny Dan. Polly the parrot was sick of her tree. Same old branches and leaves, same old nothing to see. Same cheeky chimps with their same cheeky tricks. I'm fed up with living out here in the sticks. She squawked, it's life on the ocean for me. I will find a pet pirate and sail off to sea. I will find one who's clever and dashing and brave, who's handsome and clean and who won't misbehave. Polly, I understand clever and dashing and brave. I also understand handsome. But clean and who behaves? Do you think a pirate can do that? I don't think so. Polly, let's see if Polly finds out somebody she's looking for. So off fluttered Polly that very same day to the inn by the harbour at Buccaneer Bay. There sat the pirates with all their crews. Now, wondered Polly, which one shall I choose? Can you see how many pirates are there? Lots and lots of them. I think Polly has got lots of choices. Let's see who she chooses. Bartholomew Blood appeared smart at first sight. But sadly for Polly, he wasn't bright. I can't find my treasure, he said with a frown. You noodle, squawked Polly, your map's upside down. Oh dear me. It was really silly. Oh dear, Polly sighed, but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a much cleverer pet. Let's go hunting. Venus Mud seemed a fine, fearless sort, but was really the clumsy pirate in port. Do you know what is the meaning of clumsy? Clumsy means who keeps breaking and falling and, dropping things. Oh, poor Polly. He swung from the rigging with daring and dash. Then he slipped on a barrel and crash and splash. Oh dear, Polly sighed. But I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less bumbling pet. Let's see if Polly finds out. Polly, good luck. Crazy Kit Cutlass looked fearsome and brave till he ran with a screech from a smuggler's cave. As Crazy Kit trembled in terror beside her, Polly peeped in and discovered a spider. Oh dear, Polly sighed, but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less cowardly pet. He's scared of a spider? Oh dear me. She searched the whole harbor. She flew all around. But the perfect pet pirate just couldn't be found. Poor Polly. Gentleman Ned was too fond of his clothes. Two-Tooth Trelawney kept picking his nose. Ew! Mad Dog Domingo wore stockings that stunk. Ew! And Jack Salamander kept walking the plank. You know what is walking the plank? When the pirates are at sea and if they want to punish someone, you know what do? They make them walk on the plank and jump straight into the sea and leave them there and sail off. Ooh, that's cruel. But Jack kept jumping inside to go swimming. Oh, sighed Polly. I can't find the pirate for me. So it looks like I will have to go back to my tree. Oh, poor Polly. She seems so sad. Oh, Polly, don't worry. It won't be that bad. Poor thing. I'm feeling really bad for Polly. She was just heading home when she heard a man say, "There's a big pirate battle in Buccaneer Bay. Redbeard is fighting with old Pegleg Pete. They are the very best pirates in all of the fleet." I think Polly found someone. At last, Polly thought as she turned to the sea, "They sound like the perfect pet pirates for me." Whoa! Smash went the pirates and wallop and crunch. They fought all day long with a short break for lunch. "Surrender!" cried Pegleg, but Redbeard roared, "Never! Surrender yourself! I am the best pirate ever!" Oopsie, that's a big fight. Redbeard and Pegleg were in the right storm. They battled and bashed until Polly squirmed, "Stop! The way this is going, there won't be a winner except for the sharks who will have pirates for dinner. Why don't you stop fighting and simply agree that you are both the best pirates who sail on the sea?" That's very clever, Polly. Well done. Then Polly looked closely and saw a strange thing. That massive red beard, was it tied on a string? She tugged at the beard and it fell in the sea. "Great galleons!" gasped Pegleg.
old red beards a she? Old Redbeard is actually a girl. A girl pirate? Wow! I didn't know there was a girl pirate. Do you know, chuckled Redbeard, this parrot is right. There's really no need to continue our fight.
Why don't we join forces? Said Pegleg. With pleasure. Double the pirate means double the treasure. Wow! Pegleg and Redbeard were married that night.
They danced around the mast and forgot their old fight. Hooray! Polly cried. What a fabulous do! I wanted one pirate, now I've got two. Yay! They are clever and dashing and fearless and brave, but I might have to check that they don't misbehave.
No.
So with her new pets, Polly sailed off to sea. Oh, Polly, that's so exciting! And she thought, it's a life on the ocean for me. As she turned to her tree for one last farewell glimpse, she laughed, now I'm finally free of those chimps. Hey, Polly, look at the tree very carefully. I don't see any chimps there. Do you? Do you know where the chimps are? I don't know either. When you find out, do let me know where the chimps have been. I hope they're not onto any other mischief. But Polly is free, I think. Don't you think, Polly? On that note, good night, sleep tight, and don't get into any pillow fights. Do let me know about the chimps though. Don't forget about them. Love you. Bye.